showing is the decibel level, what you're experiencing right now. So if everyone, there's just always kind of like, especially in high school, kind of a certain baseline of noise, which is like low 70s. So if I talk a little bit louder, I can get that to go up to like 92. Now, the voice of the class, I'm going to give this to Cohen, and I'm going to have him try to yell as loud as he can into it and see what you can max it out at.
Probably nothing impressive. What's the highest you've ever seen?
Probably around 120, 130.
Jeez, that's way up there. Okay.
Hey, he certainly is the voice of the class. Gotta have a competition. Actually,
It's a little, let me actually now go off of what that actually shows, because somebody's got like a time delay. What'd
Nothing
you get?
impressive. It looked like 10 flat.
Okay, 100.
oh, you suck.
Okay. I mean, that got up to about 94.4.
Sounds like it's
So,
one thing.
I knew I shouldn't have yelled. Okay. So, and especially you all have like more chances, I think, to cause hearing damage, because they've done studies like if you use AirPods all the time, if someone beside you can hear your music, it's too loud, okay? Mainly because of the fact that if you look at that intensity equation, how much distance is there between that AirPod and your eardrum?
Quite a bit.
Not much, okay? Not much. So what does that mean in terms of the intensity of that sound that's hitting your eardrum?
It's quite high.
It's really, 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 really high. So you, as especially going into college, you have two primary things that could potentially ruin your hearing. And unfortunately, once you ruin your hearing, you can't get it back. I saw that happen with my dad, is that you have the AirPods, and even if, for those of you that are big into gamers and you wear the headphones all the time, okay? Again, what's the distance between that and your eardrum?
Not much.
Really, really small, right? So they've done studies and people that do a lot of gaming and wear those, and they have that sound cranked up, it damages your hearing because of the fact that you have such high intensity of that sound hitting your eardrums. The other thing potentially happens is that you go to a concert and you go, oh, let's stand right beside the speakers. No. That'll be cool, okay?
No, that's good.
Yeah, that's not, so again, you get one shot at your hearing. That's it, okay?
Mess it up.
Don't waste it by going, oh, let's go to a rave and we'll be cool and we'll stand right beside the speakers. And then come back to me later and go, God, Burkamp, I should have listened to you. It's like you knew what you were talking about. And I'm going to say, huh? I can't hear you. Let's say that a little bit louder that I was right, okay? Okay, back we go.